Hey everyone, it's your favorite big sis, Lucy, and peep these nails. I got some new nails done with Lisa recently, and I'm just loving these. These are this is like the longest my nails have ever been, which is crazy, but I think I could go longer. I feel like this would have been insane to me a few months ago to have nails this length, but now I'm like, we could grow these out some more. So anyways, besides showing off my new nails, I wanted to show off this week's $2 Tuesday. Lisa is currently at Coachella having fun, so I'm at home recording this instead of her. So we've got two collections this week. We've got one that's graduation themed and one that is pride themed, and I'm gonna go through both because they're so gorgeous, and it just so happens that we have two kits that match. So let's go with graduation first because I feel like most people have graduation in either like May or early June, and that is coming up. So first off, I think this would be a perfect fit with our graduation kit, which is gold glitter, as you can see here. And we also have the clip art. So cute. And as you can see here, we also have gold glitter stickers. So for this week, we have gold glitter, as you can see here, in both glossy and matte clear. And then we have black, and it's not just black. If I can get the light to catch, it's a little bit hard, but it's actually hollow black. So let's see if if you can kind of catch the light on that. A little bit hard to see, but definitely easier in person. You can see the hollows reflecting from this, and it's really, really pretty. Not sure if the camera will quite capture it, but you guys know what I mean. So that's definitely a new foil that we haven't tried out before, but it's really pretty in person. And then finally, we have your classic gold foil. Okay, so I'm gonna go through, which one should I go through? I think I'm gonna go through the black because I like how it pops, especially I think with a kit like this, it would like really just like pop. You know what I mean? Okay, so we have our glossy here and we have our matte here. Let's just go through the matte. First off, we have graduation caps, balloon arch. I actually graduated this past year in 2021, so I really love how these look. I wish I'd used these stickers. I think I may have used some of them actually, but so this is balloon deco. I just want to say congrats to those of you who are graduating this year. That's a big accomplishment. Party streamer deco, and it's definitely something that should be celebrated. The confetti date dots, it's a little hard to see, but it has like cute little confetti around the dates. Graduation cap dividers, I would definitely want to use this with the kit. I feel like this would be really cute, just like interspersed throughout. And of course, y'all know I love my deco. Here is confetti deco. We have just like regular date dots. And then graduation quotes. I like this one. Work hard so you can shop harder, Coco Chanel. And also be the change you wish to see in the world. Also love this. I think this would be really cute if you like layered these over like one of the floral ones, so like maybe over this one. Just like imagine it layered over that. That'd be cute. So that is graduation. There's not as many designs in each theme, so that's why we decided to combine both themes and release them at once. So next up we have the Pride themed collection. So as you can see here, we just released this Pride kit this past weekend, and it was a big hit. Like, y'all really love this one, and same. All I can say is same, because I actually found this floral clip art, and I was like, this would be so perfect to use in combination with this type of clip art. Like, I feel like it just adds like a element of like floral elegance to it. I don't know, I like it. I'm a big fan. And as you can see here, obsessed with these florals. So for the Pride collection, we have some different foil colors to choose from. So we have your like regular gold, or classic gold, I should say. And again, this is in glossy and transparent matte or clear matte. And we have it also in holo, which I'm going to show you first before I show you the rainbow. So we also have it in holo, as you can see. The kit is in holo, like this kit is, I don't know if the light is capturing it, but this is holo. Okay, yeah, that is really pretty. So this would be like a really good match with that. But I would argue that my favorite is definitely the rainbow stickers. Like, look at this rainbow foil. It's very gorgeous. Okay, so let's actually flip through the rainbow foil. Heart confetti deco. Just like, this is so pretty. The foil, I can't get over this foil. This is rainbow heart divider. Really pretty. I don't know why, but this reminds me of like Lucky Charms. You know, like the rainbow and the hearts. And we have heart strings. Really pretty. Heart date dots. Hanging hearts. Rainbow headers. I'm just like, I feel like my eyes are mesmerized by these colors. Pride and also Love Wins headers. Rainbow deco, which this is so darn cute. I feel like this would look really good with the kit. And then just your regular date dots, but in rainbow foil. And then we have our heart confetti full box. And our Pride quotes, and they say, love never fails, love is love, happily ever after, and love wins. We love love. Okay, so that is the two collections. I'm going to show you guys how they look displayed out as well, because I know you like to see it in action. So let's just gather up some stuff for you guys to show you. Okay. I'm debating whether or not to show you guys the gold glitter or the black. But I feel like the black shows up better on camera. So I'm going to do that actually for the demo. And I really wish I had my tweezers here, because you guys know I love my tweezers so much, but Lisa doesn't have any here, I believe. So I'm just gonna have to make do with my clumsy fingers. Okay. So let's get started. I want to show you these quotes because they're so cute. Okay, let's do this one because I've been talking about it so much. And I feel like on the back you can see like the holo. It's just a little bit harder to see on camera and get it to reflect, but I can assure you this is not just regular black, it is indeed holo black. Okay. Don't be mad if I don't lay these straight, okay? Because I can't make any promises. Today is Easter Sunday, so it is the 17th. Let me lay this down for you guys. The 17th. And it was the 16th yesterday. These dividers. Really excited to use the graduation cap dividers. I don't know why I put these stickers over here. Like I should have put them in these two columns, but oh well. The party streamer deco. I feel like you could get really creative with this one, like overlay it on boxes and things like that. But I'm just going to kind of like, maybe I could do it like that. And then you could like overlay a date cover with one of these balloons. I think that would be really cute. You know what? I had a vision. I feel like I'm not executing it right, but you know what I'm talking about. Definitely these streamers and balloons I think would look really good with each other. Let's just put some more on. Okay, it's like a party up in here. Oh, yes, okay. So this, the graduation deco, I think this would be really cute. Ah, see, I need tweezers, guys. I need it. Like this. The balloon arch. Is that not the cutest thing ever? And then of course the graduation caps, can't forget those. I feel like you could put this on like, if you had like a box, like a quarter or half box, you put this on top. That would look really cute. And then finally we've got our confetti deco, which I'm obsessed with and really need tweezers to put these on. But let's just try. I guess I want to take this time to tell you guys that Lisa and I are so grateful for all the support you guys have shown for our podcast. Today should be Monday, so our latest episode has gone out, and I honestly could not tell you off the top of my head what it is about because we've recorded so many in advance. Okay, that's really cute. And I'm just gonna do a little bit more because I like decorating. But just wanted to say thank you. We honestly started the podcast thinking no one would listen, but like we just wanted to do it for fun anyway, in case it helped like even one person. And so many of you have either messaged us, commented, told us in person that you really enjoy listening to our episodes. So I just want to say thank you. We're so incredibly grateful. It has been the only thing that we've like truly been consistent and dedicated about, like much more than any other platform that we've like, you know, YouTube or Instagram or whatever. So I think we are sticking with it for the long term, and we always want to hear from you guys what sort of things you want to see. So please don't hesitate to let us know. Because like I said, if we can help even one person, that would meet our goal. So, okay, that is really pretty. This would definitely be really cute paired with like putting these on top of these full boxes. I think that would be really pretty. Okay. Or you could like mix these together. Okay, let's do that. Like, what if I should have probably put this one on the bottom, but oh well, we're just testing things out here. Okay, that is super cute. And with the matte, it really doesn't, like I thought it would kind of make it look less shiny, but it really doesn't. Okay, we like it. Of course, we want these hearts. We'll do the 17th and the 16th, so you can see. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit more. We've got our rainbow deco. And now I'm realizing that these are like different colors. So if you haven't checked out our podcast yet, definitely recommend going to take a look at that. We are on so many platforms, so we should be on a platform that you listen on. That was one of the things I wanted was accessibility. So regardless of whatever platform you are on, you should be able to listen to us. Most of you are probably on Spotify or Apple. We are definitely on that. So be sure to check us out. I'll also have a link down below. I feel like we've been dropping some really good ones lately. Like we've definitely upped our game. Like the more we record, I think the better we're at it. Okay, I definitely laid that a little crooked, but oh well. Okay, these hanging hearts. I'm really excited to use these. Like I think this would be really cute if you had like a weekend banner and then you like hanging down. Okay, that was very crooked. I'm so sorry. If you had like a weekend banner right here and these are like hanging down, we're just gonna pretend like I didn't just make that super crooked. Okay, they're all just gonna be that kind of crooked. And that is okay. This is why I need tweezers, guys. Ah. Okay, wow. I'm so sorry. But it is what it is. These are really cute. I'm a fan. And then finally, we've got the heart confetti deco. And we're just gonna place a bunch on, like so. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. And that is it for this week. So we have a ton of designs for these two collections, Graduation and Pride. They will be available tomorrow, Tuesday through Thursday. And if you haven't picked up these kits, I highly recommend. I think they're like the perfect match to these two collections. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will be talking to you, or Lisa will be talking to you very soon. Bye.